Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do the Dirty Mambo. Now, this is one of those moves that you want to only do with someone who either A, has a sense of humour, or B, you know quite well, and you get on. And the other thing I was going to say about this is you really need to have already learned a Mambo Cross. So I will put a link to that in the description below, so that you can go off and learn that if you don't know it already. But if you do know it, the hum move looks like this. One thing about this move, this was one of those moves that's more about how it feels than how it looks. So don't judge it by its looks, judge it by doing it and seeing how you like it that way. So it goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. So first off, let's look at the footwork. So if we all face the front, obviously if you can already do a Mambo Cross, you've got the idea of going forwards and back, a left and right. So all we're going to do is think about, well, I'm going to do this at a different time to our partner, but we're going to go forwards with the left and replace, and then out to the right and replace. So we go forwards and back, right and replace, forwards and back, right and replace. And that's all we're going to do that's different to the normal Mambo Cross. So it starts exactly the same as a Mambo Cross. We go back, we come in, we go towards the lady and replace, and then we go back and replace. Now the lady, if she knows the pattern, is going to go, oh, I'm going to probably go to the side, and we should be very distinctively leading the lady to the side. So when we're leading forwards, we're leading that way. When we're leading to the side, we're leading across. Okay, so if we were going with the lady, it would come naturally, but if we were trying to lead the lady on our own, the hands have to go even if we do something else. I'll talk more about that in a moment. So we've gone forwards for the guys, back for the guys. Ladies are ready to go to the side. Guys are going to go forwards as the lady goes to the side. Now, if you're doing this with someone you know really well, you may well get to the point where you actually end up bumping thighs at that point. Okay, then we come back and replace. Now guys are going to go right, we're going to bring the lady forwards, so guys, we have to lead the lady towards us as we head to the right, and again you'll get the same thigh contact and back. So lead the ladies to the left as we go forwards and replace. Guys head right as you bring the lady forwards and replace, and then after a couple we can finish and just do the ending we would normally do from a Mambo Cross. Send the lady back, through, and look. So the tricky bit here is that when we're doing the Mambo Cross, our frame is going where we're going. So as we move around, our frame comes with us, so we don't have to move it in relation to us very much. Now when we're going forwards, we bring in the lady across to our left, so as we're going forwards, instead of our frame going that way, we actually need our frame to not move. So if I do this, normally my frame would go forwards. I need my frame to not go forwards, I have to pull it towards me as I go forwards. And also, not only do I need to pull it towards me, but I need to take it to my left, so I have to pull it in and across to get the lady to take her step. And then when I want the lady to come towards me, I have to pull her towards me as I head right, but I need to not pull her to the right. So instead of going over and pulling in, I have to go over to my left and pull in to give her a straight line forwards. That's the trickiness to this move. Leading the lady correctly whilst doing something different yourself. So we'll give you another view and we'll talk about numbers at the same time. So we go back 1, in 2, twisting, going forwards 3 and replace 4, going back 5 and replace 6, and this is where we start to get interesting. We've got to lead the lady to the left as we head forwards, 7 and 8, guys to the right as we bring the lady forwards, 1 and 2, repeat, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, familiar territory, twist out 7, sliding through 8 and back 1. So let's try it. Here we go to numbers. It's 5, a 6, the Dirty Mambo. It's a back, in, twist and back, back and forwards, in the middle for the guys, in the middle for the ladies, in the middle for the guys, in the middle for the ladies, twist out, slide through and look. And that's it for the Dirty Mambo. Remember, have a sense of humour with it, enjoy it, be cheeky, and it'll be loads and loads of fun. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. That's the bell bit. And thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. We will also stick a tune recommendation on the end so that you've got something to practice that move to. We'll see you next time. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.